We are on set during the production of a short fiction film which is lit using equipment provided by Dedolight. Besides the standard Dedolight bulbs and heads, we will also be making extensive use of the new Lightstream technology, which is comprised of reflective surfaces providing robust and dynamic multi-source lighting solutions. Filming for this project takes place in Greece, and taking advantage of the abundant natural light of the Greek sun comes with its own challenges. As such, we start with the natural light acting as a key light for our setup. In this scene, we see a charismatic elderly man watching television alone in his living room. To simulate the light coming from the television, we are using a Dedolight bicolor LED with a green gel in combination with Lightstream 1. The reflector is allowing us to maximize our use of the compact space by producing a light from an otherwise impossible angle and distance from the subject. We have achieved the appearance of a wider surface light source to simulate a television screen displaying a football match, as can be seen on our subject's face. To separate our subject from the background, we use a hairlight comprised of another Dedolight bicolor LED and a Lightstream 2 reflector, which provides some diffusion. Once more, we are taking advantage of the reflective angle to increase the distance between our subject and the light source, allowing more flexibility and subtlety in our approach. To complete our setup, we add a fill light, which is a standard 30x40 bicolor LED panel, and we are now ready to enjoy the scene.
Η πρώτη μεγάλη φάση στο μάτς στο δεύτερο λεπτό. Έχουμε τον Μήτρο να απειλεί και τον Σαβιόλα να ακολουθεί και να πετυχαίνει τον γκολ. Να ανοίγει το σκορ στο Λεώνιος Καραϊσκάκης. Στο τρίτο λεπτό το προσπάθησε προηγουμένως. Πετυχαίνει το τρίτο.
The following scene takes place at night, and we start by rendering a simulation of lights from the city. We are using the bicolor LED outside the window with a Fresnel spot, an off-red gel and a gobo to give us that nice, warm, textured city glow. Our key light is the bicolor LED panel, which fills in the room quite nicely and highlights our subject. Keen observers may have noticed some sparse party decorations on our set, which we embellish further with a lighting effect. Our Dedolight bicolor LED is directed at the wall with our custom-made patent-pending manually operated photorhythmic system simulating the effect of a real photorhythmic setup. We have further added a soft hairlight comprised of a Dedolight bicolor LED with a bluish gel and a Lightstream reflector, adding just a touch more color variety to the scene. Let's watch.
Οι μεγάλες επιτυχίες της, η κληρονομιά που μας άφησε. Η αξεπέραστη ερμηνεύτρια μέσα από τα τραγούδια που αγαπήσαμε. Στην υγειά μας ρε παιδιά. Με τον Σπύρο Παπαδόπουλο. Σάββατο στις 9 το βράδυ. Στον Sky.
Έφτασαν τα 73 τα κρούσματα του κορονοϊού. Η κυβέρνηση
Our final scene is set early in the morning, so we will once again be using natural light as a key. To add a detail that suggests the morning light is shining through the window at a low angle, we are using the bicolor LED with a Venetian blind-style gobo. Our fill light is the bicolor LED panel, and our hair light is a Dedolight bicolor LED spot at a high angle directed with the appropriate barn doors. This completes our last setup. Thank you for watching and enjoy the final scene.